There was a time when our homes were full of life. Cousins were like brothers and sisters. Siblings stood shoulder to shoulder. Neighbors were like family. Sundays meant visiting, not rushing. Weddings, funerals, whatever the reason, we showed up. No invite needed, no hesitation. But somewhere along the way, something slipped through our fingers. Even siblings who grew up under the same roof, ate from the same pots, laughed in the same cramped rooms, now barely speak. After our parents pass on, without mama and papa holding us together, the gaps widen. Cousins who once shared school holidays now feel like strangers. Our children, who should have been playmates and confidants, barely know one another beyond a polite greeting, if they need it all. What happened to us? Somewhere between dreams of a better life and life's pressure, we lost something vital. We chased education, careers, postcodes, financial freedom, things our parents fought for us to have. But in that chase, relationships got sidelined. Family time became when I had a chance. Friendships became when it's convenient. The gathering shrank, then faded, then stopped. Materialism crept in quietly. Now it's about who owns the bigger house, whose kids go to private school, who's traveling overseas. Conversations once warm now feel like subtle competitions and vulnerability. Saying I'm struggling or I miss someone feels taboo. We protect our image instead of sharing our truth. We hide pain behind shiny posts and proud updates, afraid that honesty invites judgment, not support. Social media hasn't helped. We scroll past each other's lives, click like, move on. It's easier to post a perfect photo than to say I miss you or I'm not okay. When our elders passed and no one arranged the gatherings, we realized painfully, without them we don't know how to hold each other. We let small grudges grow into silence, let pride and fear take over, stop reaching out, and like anything untended, love withered. But it's not too late. We can rebuild what we lost if we choose to. We can call siblings even after years, invite cousins even if it's awkward. Show our children that family is more than a word. It's showing up, it's forgiving,